Good morning everyone. I hope you all are fine at home. Stay home, stay safe. My name is Madhvi. I would like to sing a small rhyme. Yes, children. Shall we start? Hands on my neck. What are these dear? These are my eye blinkers. Zooby zooby doo. That's what they told me when I went to school. Hands on my hips. What is this dear? This is my nose blower. Zooby zooby doo. That's what they told me when I went to school. Hands on my hips. What is this dear? This is my chatterbox. Zooby zooby doo. That's what they told me when I went to school. Hands on my hips. What is this dear? This is my dimple chin. Zooby zooby doo. That's what they told me when I went to school. Hands on my hips. What is this dear? This is my bread basket. Zooby zooby doo. That's what they told me when I went to school. Hands on my hips. What are these dear? These are my knee knockers. Zooby zooby doo. That's what they told me when I went to school. Hands on my hips. What are these dear? These are my toy tappers. Zooby zooby doo. That's what they told me when I went to school. Hands on my hips. What are these dear? These are my eye blinkers. Nose blower, chatterbox, dimple chin, bread basket, knee knocker, toy tapper, zooby zooby doo. That's what they taught me when I went to school. Yes, children. In the following rhyme, we have studied about the body parts. Yes. See, what are our body parts? Eyes, nose, mouth, shoulders, hands, legs. These are the external parts of the body that you can see in your body. Other than this, inside some organs are present. We are going to see that internal organs. Today our topic is internal organs. Let us see some internal organs. What are they? See children, these are lungs. These are lungs. This is an intestine. This is an intestine. See, these are kidneys. These are kidneys. See children, here, this is a stomach. This is a stomach. See here, this is a brain. This is a brain. This is a heart. This is a heart. See children, these are the internal organs which are present inside the body. We are going to learn each and every topic now. See children, this is a picture of a brain. It is present inside the head. It is present inside the head. It is in the head region. Brain tells the body to work. It tells the body to work. It tells each and everything in the body what to do and what not to do. It tells the eyes to see. It tells the eyes to see. If the brain sends a message to the eyes, at that time only we can see. We can see the things. And it also sends a message to the ears to hear. It also sends a message to the ears to hear. If the brain will not work, we can't hear. If the brain sends a message only, we can hear with the help of our ears. The brain will send the message to the nose to smell, to see the smell. At that time only, we can see the smell of the things. Otherwise, the nose will not smell. If it sends a message, who will send the message? The brain will send the message to the nose to smell the thing. Now, it is mouth. It is a mouth. We will eat with the help of our mouth. Yes, no children? If the brain sends a message to the mouth to eat that food, at that time only we can eat the food with the help of our mouth. Yes. It is a skin, children. It is a skin. We will feel with the help of skin. If we want to touch any things, if the brain sends a message to our skin to touch the thing, at that time only we will touch and we will feel the thing. Otherwise, we cannot feel. Completely, our brain works in our body. If the brain works in our body, only we can do the work. Brain also helps us to learn. Yes, no, children? If we want to write tomorrow dictation, if you have to learn and come the words. Yes, that time with the help of the brain only you can learn the things. At that time only you can remember. The brain helps us to learn and remember the things. Children, the brain plays a major role in our body. If the brain sends a message to all the parts of the body, only the body can work. Otherwise, the body cannot work. Brain plays a major role in our body. It is present in the head region. Brain is present in the head region. Brain helps the body to work. It also helps us to remember and learn. See, children, here we are having the picture of lungs. We are having the picture of lungs. Yes. We are going to learn about lungs. In our body there are two lungs. How many lungs? Two lungs. The air we breathe. We'll breathe the air with the help of our nose. Yes. From the nose, the air enters through our windpipe. It enters through the windpipe and then reaches the lungs. The lungs are present in the chest region. In the chest region. The lungs are present in the chest region. How many lungs we are having? Two lungs. The air we breathe through the nose will enter into the lungs. Lungs will purify the air. See, children, one experiment we will do with the help of lungs. When we breathe the air, our lungs will move upwards. Our chest will move upwards. When we breathe out the air, our chest will move inwards. Do this experiment, children, you only can understand. Yes, the lungs will purify the air. Lungs also purify the air. The air we breathe from the nose will enter into the windpipe and then to the lungs. See, children, look at this picture. This is a picture of stomach. This is a picture of stomach. It is also an internal organ. Children, we all will eat food. Without food, we can't live. Yes. We will eat the food with the help of our mouth. Yes, no? Yes. We will eat the food with the help of our mouth. When we eat the food with the help of our mouth, from the mouth, the food goes into the food pipe. The food goes into the food pipe and then it enters the stomach. And then it enters the stomach. In the stomach, the food turns into a fine paste. The food turns into a fine paste. Children, if we want to do any paste, we will use a mixer, no? In the same way, whatever the food we will eat in our stomach, it becomes a fine paste. It will turn into a paste. Stomach is used to turn the food into the paste. Turn the food into a paste. See, children, look at this picture. This is a picture of an intestines. This is a picture of an intestines. In this one picture, there are two intestines. Small intestine and large intestine. See, children, the outer part, it is a large intestine. The inner part, it is a small intestine. In this intestines, what the work it will do? You want to learn now. Yes. In the stomach, the food will turn into a paste. Yes. That paste will go to the intestines and the food will digest here. The food will digest here. Intestines are used to digest the food, whatever we eat. Children, look at this picture. This is a heart. This is a heart. It is present in the chest region. To the left side. It is present in the left side of the chest region. We have studied about lungs. How many lungs we are having? 2. But we are having only one heart. How many heart? Only one heart. See children, this heart will work throughout the day. All the time the heart will be working. Whenever you are sleeping, whenever you are jumping, whenever you are running, every time this heart will work. It is a all-time machine. It is a all-time machine. Every times it works. It works like a pump, children. It works like a pump. See here, it's always pumping. It is pumping. It will purify the blood and it will send the blood through the whole body. It will send the blood to the whole body. See children, how it will pump. Now we will do a small experiment, children. See, keep your hand near your heart and listen to the sound. What sound you can hear? Once we will see here. Yes children, I am hearing lub-dub sound. I am hearing lub-dub sound. You also do this experiment. You can hear lub-dub sound. This heart will beat for 72 times in 1 minute. In 1 minute, it will beat for 72 times. Children, whenever you are doing whatever work you are doing, you are sleeping, jumping, running, this heart will work. If the heart will not work, you can't breathe. You will die. Heart plays a major role in our body. Heart will send the blood to the whole body. What the heart does, children? It sends the blood to the whole body. It works like a pump. It works like a pump. See children, look at this picture. These are kidneys. These are kidneys. We are having 2 kidneys in our body, children. See, the shape of this kidney is like a bean. We all know beans, no? We all will eat the beans. It is a vegetable. See the shape of the kidney? It is like a bean. How many kidneys we are having? 2 kidneys. What is the shape of the kidney? It is like a bean. Children, now we are going to learn about kidneys. These kidneys will remove the waste from the body. Whatever we eat, it will go to the stomach and it will turn into a paste, and then it reaches the intestines and it gets digested there. And then the waste part also will be left over in our body. Yes, no children? Who will remove that waste part? These kidneys will remove that waste part. The kidneys will remove the waste part from our body in the form of urine. You all will go to urine, no? Yes. That is the waste will come out from our body with the help of kidneys. With the help of kidneys. See children, without kidneys, the waste can't be come out of our body. Means the kidneys will remove the waste from the body. What the kidneys will do? It will remove the waste from our body in the form of urine. How many kidneys we are having? 2 kidneys. How many kidneys we are having? 2 kidneys. What is the shape of the kidney? See here. What is the shape of the kidney? It is like a bean. It is like a bean. Bean means the vegetable beans, children. We will take one bean. It is like that. It is the shape of a bean. How many kidneys we are having? 2 kidneys. What the kidneys will do? It will remove the waste from our body in the form of urine. Children, look at this picture. This is a skeleton, children. This is a skeleton. Children, we all have learned about the internal parts. Yes, no children? We have learned about brain, heart, lungs, stomach, kidneys. Those all are present in our body. They are present in our body. But they are inside. But where they are? They are inside the skeleton. They are inside the skeleton. Who will protect these all internal parts? The skeleton will protect the internal parts. See children, these are the bones. These are the bones. These bones, there are 206 bones in our body. How many bones are there? There are 206 bones. We are having many internal organs. Yes. See, in the head we have brain. In the chest region we have lungs and the heart. Coming to the down, we are having stomach and we are having intestines. And then at the back we are having kidneys. Children, these are the legs. These are the legs. These are the hands. Inside our hands and legs, we are having muscles. We are also having muscles. Children, other than that, these are the bones. These are 206 bones in our body. The internal organs are present inside the skeleton. This skeleton will protect our internal organs. They are very delicate, children. That's why the bones, the skeleton will protect the internal organs. And the skeleton will give the shape to our body. The skeleton will give the shape to our body. Children, bones. The bones. How many bones we are having? We are having 206 bones. We are having 206 bones. With the help of bones only, we can stand, we can sit, we can walk, and we can jump, we can run. Otherwise, we can't do this work, children. If the bones are not there in our body, we can't do any work like sitting, running, jumping, and all. Means bones are very important. And other than this, the bones will protect the internal organs. If the internal organs work only, we can do the work with our external organs. Means the skeleton is taking care of all the internal organs and it gives a shape to the body. The skeleton gives a shape to our body. How many bones are there? There are 206 bones. There are 206 bones. Children, skeleton is very important, children. It is inside our body. It is inside our body. Now I am going to ask some questions, children. We have listened to the topic now. Children, what is our topic? It is internal organs. What does the brain do? It helps to remember and learn. It helps the body to work. What does the brain do? It helps the body to work and it also helps us to remember and learn. Children, heart. What does the heart send? It sends blood to the whole body. What does the heart send? Heart sends blood to the whole body. How many bones are there in our body, children? There are 206 bones. How many bones are there? There are 206 bones. Children, how many lungs we are having? 2 lungs. How many lungs? 2 lungs. What the lungs will do? Lungs will purify the air. What does the lungs do? It will purify the air. How many lungs we are having? We are having 2 lungs. We are having 2 lungs, children. Children, we are having kidneys also, no? What is the function of kidneys? It removes waste from the body. It removes waste from the body. Children, where is heart present? Heart is present in the chest region. Heart is present in the chest region. Thank you, children.